Yes, finally come to the finishing. It looks alright, but however it's not satisfying me. These Vitos, the color code should be here. See, what is it here? That's the color code 9154. Unfortunately, for the color code of 9154, there's two colors coming up. It's two different shade, different type. So then I go for one of them. So then I thought, like, if it's not matching, then I'll get the other one later. So you can see the sort of different on here. Look, this is the different appearance. Yeah, so it's done it a little bit up here, but that is different to that color. But however, I'm going to do the missing parts, like what I go for here. There was a little bit of corroded bit. I missed it, so I have to take all the rust. And here, one here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to sand them. Yeah, one here. These ones, I was in a rush when I was painting it, so I didn't sand it properly. So I'm going to redo the sand here. So I'm going to sand it off with the. I got the probably 800 or 1000, and then I'll do it with the 1200. So I'm going to go over 1200 all over, and then I'm going to paint it everywhere. And this one is so solid, the water won't get in there. So I'm going to just apply a sort of sand with the hard paper with the P60, and then the filler it to make it smooth, and then repaint it for this one. Yeah, done a good job. However, it's not satisfying me. Still, it's fine in this condition. I can just give a polish and make it a little bit shiny, and then still use it. But I just want to make it right. So that's how you learn, isn't it? Just do it one, and then if it's not right, like if you give it to professionals, they will like charge you for their work, whatever they do, and then they can't do mistakes. But for us, we learners, and then you can learn as many times you can. Like you only get better and better when you do it again and again. Anyhow, it was it's looking better than it was. Mainly, thank you for following. We're all learning something. So if I'm doing wrong things, correct me. You're free to do it. Thanks.